Hello students, today we will discuss a topic cell cycle which come under the lesson cell cycle and cell division, which is the 10th lesson in your third unit of PUC first year. In this unit you will get 4 to 6 questions in your NEET exams. These questions mainly come from 3 lessons. They are cell, the unit of life, biomolecules and cell cycle and cell division. There will be a minimum 2 questions from the lesson cell cycle and cell division. The topic which come under the cell cycle and cell division are: first one cell cycle, second one mitosis, third one meiosis. If you study properly these 3 topics, definitely 2 questions will come from these. So today's my concept is cell cycle. You may get 1 question from my topic. So that is a cell cycle. Now what is this cell cycle? Cyclical events taking place in the cell to divide from a single cell to 2 daughter cell, during which duplication of DNA takes place, simultaneously accumulation of important materials like proteins, enzymes, lipids, amino acid, other materials will also take place. These events which taking place during cell cycle are cyclical. They take orderly without any changes. So for division of cycle, division of cell, how much time is required? For example, if we take the human cell and if we culture it in the laboratory, it takes 24 hours to divide. That is, for formation of 2 daughter cell, it takes 24 hours. If it is each cell, it takes only 90 minutes to divide. If it is a bacterial cell, it takes only 20 minutes to divide. That means when we compare the organism, time taken for division differs. Now you came to know that how much time required for the cell division. Now let us start 2 important phases which are there in the cell cycle. There are 2 important phases. They are I phase and M phase. I phase means interphase, M phase means mitotic phase. Remember, earlier scientists thought that I phase is another similar phase which is there in the prophase, as if in the prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. But later on scientists came to know that interphase is the most important phase in the cell cycle, which includes through 3 sub phases. They are G1, S, G2 and M phase, which includes 4 sub phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. We usually study this M phase under 2 headings, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis, in which karyokinesis means division of nucleus, cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. So after I phase and M phase, there is a small pause taking place between the 2 successive cell division, which we will discuss in the diagram. Okay, yes, see here the diagram of cell cycle, So this diagram of cell cycle, as I have told you, it includes 2 main phases. First one is I phase, second one is M phase. I phase is divided into 3 sub phases, G1, S, G2 phase. M phase is subdivided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. A small gap phase will be there, which is known as G0 phase. Remember, these interphase, which includes 3 sub phases, are most important phases. For example, if you consider G1 phase, during which what synthesis of RNA takes place, synthesis of protein takes place, enzymes, lipids and different types of amino acids are also produced. Here, as you know that amino acids are building blocks of proteins, these amino acid required for synthesis of proteins. You know that all enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzymes. Different types of enzymes are required for the replication of DNA or duplication of DNA, which takes place during S phase, which is also called as a synthetic phase or synthesis phase. Here, as you know that topoisomerase, helicase, DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2, DNA polymerase 3 are the different types of enzymes which are required during the process of synthesis of DNA, duplication of DNA. So, that means it is clear that the enzymes which are required for the synthesis of DNA are synthesized in G1 phase, without which the further events which do not take place. So, that is why first growth phase is a important phase in case of interphase, and second phase is S phase, that is duplication of DNA takes place in S phase. Here the amount of DNA doubles. If in case if a cell is having 2C DNA, it doubles and becomes 4C, but chromosome number remains same. There is no change in the chromosome number remains same in the S phase. And simultaneously, remember, most oftenly repeated question is in which phase histone protein synthesis takes place during cell cycle, that is S phase. In S phase only histone proteins are produced. You know that histone proteins are associated with the DNA. Most oftenly in a NEET exam, questions will come from this S phase only, synthesis phase. This is the prominent important phase of the cell cycle during which DNA replication takes place. Later on in G2 phase, that is a second growth phase during which spindle fiber formation takes place. This spindle fiber required for the dragging the chromosomes towards the opposite pole during anaphase. So, that spindle formation takes place, and ATP synthesis. You know that adenosine triphosphate, which are considered as energy currencies of the cell. So, these are required for carrying out different processes. So, next after completion of 3 sub phases of I phase, next one is karyokinesis and cytokinesis, which come under the M phase. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus, which takes place under 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So, about which we will discuss in detail during mitosis. Next one is cytokinesis. This cytokinesis takes place after the karyokinesis, during which division of cytoplasm takes place. After completion of I phase and M phase, single cell divides into 2 daughter cells. After formation of 2 daughter cell, a small phase takes place which is known as G0 phase, during which cell division stops and 2 daughter cells are formed. Normally, so during arithmetic growth, when 2 daughter cells are formed, only one daughter cell undergo again cell division and one more cell undergo differentiation to form different types of cells. So, if it is a geometric growth, both the cells undergo again cell division. Remember, cancer cells have lost their G0 cell, because of that continuous non-stop cell division takes place, because of which cancer tumor formation occurs. So, here these are the 2 phases, that is I phase and M phase, important phases. So, as I have told you, cell cycle is what sequence of event taking place in cell division one after the other, that is after interphase M phase, after M phase interphase. Interphase, as the name itself explains, it is the intermediate stage between the 2 successive mitotic phase. Okay. After discussion of theory points concerned to the cell cycle, now it is time to go through the questions which are asked in previous exams from the concept cell cycle. In that first question, you can see, during cell growth DNA synthesis takes place in, 4 options are there: S phase, G phase, G2 phase, M phase. In that, A option is S phase, B option is G1 phase, C option is G2 phase, D option is M phase. Answer is A, S phase. So this question appeared in the 2016 NEET exam. Then second question, during which phases of cell cycle amount of DNA in a cell remains at 4C level if the initial amount denoted as 2C? As I have told you, during S phase or synthesis phase, so amount of DNA doubles from 2C to 4C. Answer for this is, options they have given: A, G0 and G1, B, G1 and S, C, only G2, D, G2 and M. And right answer for this is C, only G2. As you know that G2 means a second growth phase which occurs after synthetic phase or synthesis phase. There in S phase, DNA doubles from 2C to 4C. Third one, in S phase of cell cycle, options they have given, 4 options they have given: amount of DNA doubles in each cell, amount of DNA remains same in each cell, chromosome number is increasing, amount of DNA reducing to half. So here answer is A, in S phase of cell cycle amount of DNA doubles in each cell. So fourth question, at which stage of cell cycle, are histone proteins synthesized? As I have told you, in S phase. In S phase of cell cycle, protein synthesis, histone protein synthesis takes place. Which typical stage is known for DNA replication? Again, S phase. Dear students, after going through these questions, you came to know that especially in cell cycle they have asked questions mainly from S phase. So these are the important points concerned to S phase. Two more concepts are there, mitosis and meiosis. And after studying mitosis and meiosis, definitely there will be one question from either cell cycle or mitosis or meiosis. Sorry, two questions. Okay, thank you.